Before starting this video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Pawan Kumar R. Bubnale from class 7 standard, and in this video I would like to teach you about what is square and square root. So let's move to the video. Square and square root. What are the points to learn in this lesson? Let's see. Meaning of a square, properties of a square, Pythagorean triplet, and how to find the method of a square root meaning, methods to find square root. Let's see. Square and square root. What is square and what is the definition of a square? Let's see. If a number be multiplied by itself and the product is called as a square. In the above statement, we have understood that if a number be multiplied by itself and the product is called as a square. Let's take some example. The square of 3 square, that is 3 into 3, that is 9, and the square of 4 square, that is 4 into 4, that is 16, and the square of 6 square, that is 6 into 6, that is 36. The square of 7 square, that is 7 into 7, that is 49. In this above statement, we have understood that if a number be multiplied by itself, the product is called as a square. Let's see. These are all the square numbers table. Let's see. 1 square is 1 into 1, 1. 2 square is 2 into 2, that is 4. 3 square is 3 into 3, that is 9. 4 square is 4 into 4, that is 16. 5 square is 5 into 5, 25. 6 square is 6 into 6, that is 36. 7 square is 7 into 7, that is 49. 8 square is 8 into 8, that is 64. 9 square is 9 into 9, that is 81. 10 square is 10 into 10, that is 100. 11 square is 11 into 11, that is 121. 12 square is 12 into 12, that is 144. 13 square is 13 into 13, that is 169. 14 square, 14 into 14, that is 196. 15 square, 15 into 15, that is 225. 16 square, 16 into 16, that is 256. 17 square, 17 into 17, that is 289. 18 square, 18 into 18, that is 324. 19 square, 19 into 19, that is 361. 20 square, 20 into 20, that is 400. These are all the square numbers 1 to 20. Let's see what are the properties of square. Perfect square never ends with digit 2, 3, 7 and 8. In this above statement, we have discussed that a perfect square never ends with digit 2, 3, 7 and 8. Let's take some examples. 34,562. A number ending with 2 is not a perfect square. 43,563. A number ending with 3 is not a perfect square. 94,357. A number ending with 7 is not a perfect square. 97,218. A number ending with 8 is not a perfect square. Let's see. What is second property? A natural number having 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, which these numbers which comes at the ones place, it may be a square or may not be a perfect square. In this above statement or second property, we have discussed that a natural number having 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 at the ones place, it may be a square or may not be a perfect square. Let's take some example. 11 is not a perfect square, but 121 is a perfect square. 169 is a square, but 389 is not a perfect square. In this second property, we have discussed that a natural number having 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, these numbers which comes in ones place, it may be a square or may not be a perfect square. Let's see what is third property. A perfect square never ends with odd numbers of 0. Let's take some example. 40. Ending with 0, it is not a perfect square. 500. Ending with 0, it is not a perfect square. 700. Ending with 0, it is not a perfect square. 1000. Ending with 0, it is also not a perfect square. In this number 3 property, we have discussed that a perfect square never ends with odd numbers of zeros. Let's see. Number 4 property. A perfect square always leaves a remainder 0 or 1 and when it is divided by 3. Example 36 divided by 3. Answer is 12. Quotient is 12 and the remainder is 0. It is a perfect square. 121 divided by 3. 3 fours are 12. Quotient is 4 and the remainder is 1. So it is a perfect square. In this fourth property, we have discussed that a perfect square always leaves a remainder of 0 or 1 and when it is divided by only a 3, it is a perfect square. Let's see. Number 5 property. The square of an even number is even and the square of odd is odd. Even square is even and odd square is odd. Let's see even square such as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. These all are even square. Let's see what are odd square. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. These are the tables of even square and or odd square. Numbers and what is its square numbers. Number is 2 and its square number is 2 square, that is 2 into 2 4. Number is 4 4 square, 4 into 4 that is 16. Number is 6 6 square, 6 into 6 that is 36. 8 square, 8 into 8 that is 64. 12 square, 12 into 12 that is 144. In odd number table, numbers and its square numbers. 3 square, 3 into 3 that is 9. 5 square, 5 into 5 that is 25. 7 square, 7 into 7 that is 49. 9 square, 9 into 9 that is 81. 11 square, 11 into 11 that is 121. In this fifth property, we have discussed that the square of an even number is even and the square of odd number is odd. Let's see number 6 property. Each prime factor is prime factorization method or square number and it can be grouped in pair. Let's say example prime, these are all prime numbers and next these are all prime factorization method. Prime number is 4 and its prime factorization method is 2 into 2 that is 2 square, 2 into 2 that is 4. Next 9, 3 into 3 that is 9 that is 3 square, 121. 11 into 11 means 11 square that is 121. 225. 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 that is 225. 729. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. In the sixth property we have discussed that each prime factor is prime factorization method, square number and it can be grouped into pair. Let's see exercise part of a square. Let's take first exercise. Express 64 as the sum of 8 odd numbers. Let's see solution. 64 is equal to, we should find only 8 odd numbers means 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. How many numbers of odd numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These all are 8 odd numbers. That means 64 its square is 8 square means 8 into 8 that is 64. These all are sum of odd numbers which we get as answer as 64. Let's see second example. Express 81 as a sum of 9 odd numbers. In this first example 8 odd numbers, in second example 9 odd numbers to find as 81. Let's see solution. We should count only odd numbers whenever this question has come. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. These all are the sum of all odd numbers. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all are 9 odd numbers. So 9 square, we should make it as 9 square. 9 9s are 81. So in this second example, we have got the square root of 81, that is 9 square. Let's see third problem. Express 225 as sum of 15 odd numbers. Let's go for solution. 225. We should find 15 odd numbers. Let's start from 1. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 27 plus 29. These all are 15 odd numbers. Let's say how many numbers are of odd numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we can write as the square root of 225, that is 15 square. 15 into 15, that is 225. In this method, this all three questions in this method, we have understood that if whenever these questions comes, we should add only odd numbers, not even numbers, to get as the question as the answer. Let's see, that is second part, that is square root of a number. First part we have discussed about a square of a number, and second part we will discuss a square root of a number. What are the points to learn about square root? Let's see. Square root meaning Pythagorean triplet methods to find square root. Let's see what is square root of a number, or what is the definition of a square root. Let's see. The square root of a number which when multiplied by itself is equal to given number. And the symbol, this is a symbol of square root, and its under name is also called as a radical sign. And this symbol, square root symbol, another name what it is called, it's called as a radical sign. It is a square root of a number. Let's take example, that is 25, that is 5. This is a square root of 25, that is 5. Square root of 49, that is 7 square. Square root of 144, that is 12 square. In this above statement, we have discussed that a square root of a number which when multiplied by itself is equal to the given number, and the symbol of square root is also called as another name, that is radical sign. Let's see steps to solve square root by following method. How to solve the square root? Let's see. We should take a repeated subtraction. Take a number, subtract odd number successfully till we get 0, and total number of subtraction square root. Let's see some examples which we have to follow the method. Let's say example for square root. Example 1, 9. We should subtract only odd numbers which is starting from 1. So we will take as 9 minus 1, that is 8. 1 is odd number. 8 minus 3, that is 5. 1 after 2 is even number, and 3 is odd number, that is 5. Till we get 0, we should subtract till we get a perfect square. This 8 I will take as a repeated subtraction here down. 8 minus 3, that is 5. And 5 I would like to take a repeated subtraction here 5 down. 5 minus 5, that is 0. Till we get 0, we should subtract only odd numbers. And how many steps are followed, we should see. 1, 2, 3. These 3 steps are followed. So the square root of a number, that is 9, is 3 square. Only we should minus the numbers, only odd numbers, and till we get 0. And how many steps are followed, we should find. So that steps followed will be the square root of a number. Let's take second example, 4. We should subtract only odd numbers which is starting from 1. 4 minus 1 is odd number. 4 minus 1, that is 3. 3 minus 3, that is 0. Only 2 steps are followed so that the square root of 4 is 2. Let's see second method, that is prime factorization method. How to solve using prime factorization method? We should take a number, find prime factors, and we should group in pairs, and we should multiply one number from each group to get square root. Let's see examples. Example for prime factorization method. Square root of 16. We should find the square root of 16 by the prime factorization method. Let's see solution. Square root of 16, that is we should do as a prime factorization method. Let's do 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there of 2. We'll write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Next step, square root of 16, that is I would like to write these same numbers as down using the square root symbol. Square root of 16 is equal to square root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And the third method is what to do. We should group in pairs of these square root numbers. Let's group square root of 16, that is 2 into 2, 2 first group, and 2 into 2, 2, that is second group. Let's see what is next method. Square root of 16, that is 4, 2 into that is 4, 4 square, 4 into 4, that is 16. This is the example for prime factorization method. Let's see how to find the square of the following numbers. Let's see 32 square. We should group 3 as a 10, 3 is in tens place, means 3 into 10, that is 30 plus 2, and outside we should write as 2 square. 30 plus 2 square. Let's write as same as down. 30 plus 2, a square is there, means we should write this number only twice. 30 plus 2 and 30 plus 2. Let's see, this 30 I would like to take it down, and this 30 plus 2 here, and this 2 here plus 2, and this again 30 plus 2. Let's see 30 into 30. This is same like a BODMAS rule. We should solve 30 into 30, that is 900. 3 3 is a 9 and 2 zeros, plus 30 into 2, that is 60, and this 30 into 2, that is 60, and next is 4. 2 plus 2, that is 4. We should add this all number, that is sum. We should take out this sum. 900 plus 60 plus 60 plus 4 will get as 1024. So the 32 square is 1024. 32 into 32, that is 1024. So we can use this method to find the square root. Let's see what is Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. 3 natural number m, n and p are said to be a Pythagorean triplet. What is its formula? M, n and p, m square plus n square plus p square. This is a formula of a Pythagorean triplet. This is a diagram of a Pythagorean triplet. This is a base, this is a 90 degree, this is perpendicular ABC. This AB is a perpendicular and BC is a 90 degree. AB is 90 degree, that is perpendicular, and BC, that is base, and CA, that is hypotenuse. Note, for every natural number m is greater than n. Let's see 2 divided by m square minus n and m square plus 1, it is a Pythagorean triplet. So we have discussed that a Pythagorean triplet means it is a 3 natural numbers m, n and p. These are said to be a Pythagorean triplet. This is on formula which used to solve a Pythagorean triplet. M and p, m square plus n square plus p is equal to p square. Let's see what are the example for Pythagorean triplet. Example 1. We should find the Pythagorean triplet whose smallest number is 12. It is given in a question that 2m is equal to 12. Let's see solution or answer. We should write m is equal to 12. This is 2m, that is equal to 12. This is an equation we should solve. m, this m I would write outside and is equal to this 12 up and this 2 down. We should divide that, we will get a 6, and we should apply this formula m square minus 1. We should take this formula, that is m square minus 1 is equal to m is 6 as given, m square minus 1, that is m is 6 and up square minus 1, 6 into 6, that is 6 is 36, minus 1, that is 35, m square plus 1, that is m is 6 square plus 1, 6 is 36 plus 1, that is 37. So in this Pythagorean triplet we have find that the answer is, first this is 12, next is 35 and 37. This is a Pythagorean triplet. Let's say example 2 for a Pythagorean triplet. We should find the Pythagorean triplet of 14. Let's see some solution. General form, that is it is given as 2m. We should apply this formula m square minus 1, that is m square plus 1. Let's see, given is 2m, that is 6. This is a form of a equation. Let's see, m I would like to keep outside, that is 6 as up and 2 as down. If we divide that, we will get as the answer 3. As per rule, we should apply this formula m square minus 1. m is 3. 3 square means 3 into 3, that is 9. 9 minus 1, that is 8. Let's see next, m square plus 1. m is 3 square plus 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, that is 10. So required Pythagorean triplet of 14 is 14. This is 14, 8 and 10. This is the solution for a Pythagorean triplet of 14. Let's see, we should find the square root of 100 by the repeated subtraction. 100 minus, we should take only repeated subtraction, that we should only subtract with the odd numbers, not even numbers. Let's go for the solution. 100 minus 1, that is 99. I would like to take this 99 as a repeated subtraction down. 99 minus 3, that is 96. 96 minus 5, that is 91. 91 minus 3, that is 84. 84 minus 9, that is 75. 75 minus 11, that is 64. 64 minus 13, that is 51. 51 minus 15, 51 minus 15, that is 36. 36 minus 17, that is 19. 19 minus 19, that is 0. So till we get 0, we should subtract to find the square root. And how many steps are followed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 steps are followed, means we should keep that number as a square root. 10 square means 10 into 10, that is 100. We got this method by finding the repeated subtraction. Only we should take odd numbers, not even numbers. Let's see, find the square root by prime factorization method. Let's take first example, that is 729. We should open the prime factors of 729, that is 729, it will go by 3, that is 243. Again 243 will go by 3. 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. Next 81 also will go by 3. 3 2s are 6. How much remain? 21. 3 7s are 21. Again 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. How many 3s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's take next, that is 729 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. I would like these 3's, how many are there? That much here. Let's take square root of 729 is equal to square root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Let's see, square root of 729 is, we should group in pair. 3 into 3, 3, one group. 3 into 3, 3, one group. 3 into 3, 3. This many we should group in term. Let's say square root of 729 is equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27 square means 27 into 27, that is 729. In this method we have find by the prime factorization method of a square root. Let's see what are the word problems of a square root. Let's see. First one. The student of class 8th of a school denoted rupees 2401 in all for the Prime Minister National Relief Fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. We should find the number of students in class. In this statement, we have understood that there is a student of class 8th, it is in school, and these students denoted rupees 2401 in total or in all, and for these money will go for the prime ministers for a national relief fund, and each student denoted as he choice as his rupees of a student in class, and we should find how many students are there in a class. Let's go for the solution. Total contribution is how many students, that is 2401, and let the number of students be x, and the contribution by each student be rupees x. Given is x into x, that is 2401, x square, that is 2401. We should find the prime factors of 2401. 7 3 is 21. We should find, that is 2401 will go by 7, that is 343, and 343 will go by 7, that is 7 for the 28, like this, and 49, 7 7 is the 49, and 7 on the 7. Let's see, x is equal to, we should write how many 7s are there, 1 2 3 4. X is equal to 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. We should group in pair. X is equal to 7 into 7 7 one group, and 7 into 7 7 one group. We should multiply that. 7 7 is 49. X is equal to 49. So the number of a student in class which donated is each student that donated 49. 49 square means 49 into 49, that is 2401. Let's see second example, that is 2025 are to be planted in a garden such a way that each row contains as many plants as a number of rows, and find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. So let's find the solution. Total number of plants px. We should find these 2025 as a prime factorization method. Let's say 2025 will go by 3, that is 675, and 675 will go by 3, that is 225, and 225 will go by 3, that is 75, and 75 will go by 3, that is 25, and 5 5 is 25, and 5 1 is 5. Let's count this number. 1 2 3 4. 4 3s are there, and 5 2 5s are there. Let's see 2025 I would like to write here, and how many numbers are there, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. These are all numbers. We should group in pair. 2025 is equal to 3 into 3 3 one group, 3 into 3 3 one group, 5 into 5 5 one group. So we should multiply this. 2025 is equal to 3 3 is 9, 9 5 is 45. So the number of rows is 45, and the number of plants is 45. These plants is planted as each row. Let's see, we should find another method, that is we should find a square root by a division method. Let's see, 2304. We should divide this 23 nearest, that is less than, that is 4 4 is 16, minus 16. We should write 13 minus 6, that is 7. So we should take this 0 and 4 as a down. So here 4 is there, means so if there is any number 2 1 6, this same number we should add a down, plus 4. If there are 6 means plus 6, 2 means plus 2. We should add this number. 4 plus 4, that is 8. So this 704, which table it will come, that is 88 8 is 704. We will get the square root of the following by the division method. This method is by division method. So 2304, its square root is 48. 48 square means 48 into 48, that is 2304. Next second step, that is second one, that is 4489. This is the second example. Let's write 4489, and let's divide this. 44. Its less number, that is 36. That is 6 6 is 36. We should add plus 6, that is here 6 plus 6, that is 12. These two numbers came, and we should take this 8 9 down. It becomes 889. Let's see, 1 in 889 in which table it comes, means 127 into 7, that is minus 889. This will get us a 0. So the 4489, its square root is 67. So in this video we have discussed about the square and its properties and examples, and second, that is square root and its examples and its word problems, and how to solve the square root by a method. And the first method is prime factorization method, and third step is division method. So thank you.